Madam, please get the house in order, ma'am. Please get the house in order. Madam, thank you very much. I rise here to bring attention to the matter of this honourable house, a matter of very grave concern. Our honourable Union Education Minister has misled the house regarding PM Shri scheme. Madam, we have never agreed, our party leader as well as the member of the delegations, members of the parliament, as well as the school education minister, when they have met the honourable minister, they have never agreed, and our chief minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, had categorically stated that we would never sign the NEP, and this is pressurizing the state government. Madam, I want you to, the union government to remember that the education is still in the concurrent list, and this is a death knell on the federal structure, and they are trying to pressurize, and this is just playing with the life of the school education of the school children, madam, denying the funds to hundreds and thousands of the school children, and then you are professing that you are working towards the upliftment of the education of it is a farce, madam. Tamil Nadu will never yield to this, and this misleading of the house with the false information. You are our protector, madam. You have to just do justice for us, madam. And then our chief minister again categorically insists that we won't accept NEP and the three-language formula, and we will stand up to our federal rights, saying that we won't budget and we will fight for the educational rights of our people. And even if you were willing to give 10,000 crores, we won't accept it on the betting of the PM Shri or whatever it is. We will take care, but I would like to insist through you, madam, and appeal to the union government that let them not put this death knell or any Damocles sword hanging over the federal structure of the Indian democracy, madam. Thank you.
सभापति महोदया, डीएमके पार्टी केवल भावना भड़काने का काम कर रही है। सभापति महोदया, मैं आपको बताऊं कि तमिल सबसे पुरानी भाषा है, लेकिन संस्कृत उससे भी ज्यादा पुरानी भाषा है, और पूरे देश भर में किसी भी मंदिर में चले जाइए, तमिल के मंदिर में चले जाइए, तेलुगु के मंदिर में चले जाइए, कन्नड़ के मंदिर में चले जाइए, सभी जगह संस्कृत में ही पूजा होता है। चुनाव हारने के डर से ये न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी का विरोध कर रहे हैं, चुनाव हारने के डर से ये डिलिमिटेशन का विरोध कर रहे हैं। 1973 में कांग्रेस ने मध्य प्रदेश में सीटें बढ़ाई, वेस्ट बंगाल में सीटें बढ़ाई, लेकिन उसने तमिलनाडु में सीट नहीं बढ़ाई। इसके बावजूद भी डीएमके कांग्रेस के साथ सरकार चला रही है, उसके बावजूद भी डीएमके न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी का विरोध कर रही है। वो तमिल का विरोध कर रही है, तेलुगु का विरोध कर रही है, मैथिली का विरोध कर रही है, संथाली का विरोध कर रही है, कन्नड़ का विरोध कर रही है। ये देश के ताने बाने को तोड़ना चाहती है, अंग्रेजों के अंग्रेजी को लागू करना चाहती है, और केवल चुनाव जीतने के लिए भावना भड़काकर ये लोग सर अध्यक्ष महोदय, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मेरे लोकसभा क्षेत्र सिरोही जालोर के 7 लाख प्रवासी बाहर रहते हैं, विभिन्न शहरों में रहते हैं। मेरा आपसे निवेदन है कि अभी गर्मियों की छुट्टियों के अंदर स्पेशल ट्रेन चलाई जाए, जिसमें बेंगलोर से जोधपुर, हैदराबाद से जोधपुर, कोयम्बटूर से जोधपुर और चेन्नई से जोधपुर। सर, मेरा निवेदन है कि कोयम्बटूर भगत की कोठी से जो ट्रेन पूर्व में चालू थी, उन्हीं को पुनः चालू करके नियमित की जाए।
धन्यवाद
अध्यक्ष महोदय, देश आजाद होकर के 75 साल के अंदर भी मेरे लोकसभा क्षेत्र सिरोही जिला हेडक्वार्टर से रेलवे से नहीं जुड़ा हुआ है, उसे जुड़ाने के लिए स्वरूपगंज से क्या किया जाए।
माननीय सदस्य श्री के सुरेश जी,
आपसे निवेदन है कि बाद में
Honorable Chairman sir, I wish to draw the attention of the House to the grave financial distress faced by Friday farmers due to the current system of payment being routed through the paddy receipt sheet, loan mechanism via banks in Kerala.
विराजे आप अपने
Instead of
अपने स्थान
receiving
पर।
their rightful due directly, farmers are being forced into a loan-based payment system, which adds unnecessary financial burden, delay payments, and subject to the interest reduction. The indirect payment system deprives farmers of immediate access to their earnings, leaving them at the mercy of banking procedures and fluctuating interest rate. This is the very purpose of minimum support price, which is need to. Madam,
Thank you. Thank you very much, Madam Chairperson. Most of the honourable members from Kerala has already
by the paddy farmers. I urge the central government to immediately instruct the Kerala state government to implement direct payment system, ensuring the funds reach farmers' accounts without immediate or loan reduction. Such a step essential to safeguard farmers from financial exploitation, ensure transparency and uphold their right to timely remuneration of their hard work. I request the union government to urgent intervention in this matter. Thank you, ma'am.
सदस्य श्री N.K. प्रेमचंद्रन जी।
Thank you very much, Madam Chairperson, for affording me this opportunity to raise the matter of serious concern. Almost 5 members from Kerala, members of Parliament, has already raised the issue regarding the ASHA workers. Madam Chairperson, ASHA workers are on indefinite strike in the state of Kerala. For the last 30 days, they are on strike. It is very unfortunate to say that there is a blame game is going on between the central government and the state government. State government is saying that they are not getting the due share from the government of India. And the government of India, to a question, to an answer to the question to me, has categorically, categorically stated that the amount under NHM has already been issued. So I request the honourable government and the minister.
Madam Chairperson, I want to raise this particular issue, Madam, please. Sir, out of the 9,000 rupees which they get, something below 9,000, the honorarium is only 6,000 rupees given by the state, and the central incentive is only 2,000 rupees, Madam. It is just peanuts. And the amount of work these poor women do, Madam, that has to be taken into consideration. They are not considered as government employees. They are considered as volunteers, and they don't have any service, benefits. They don't have any retirement benefits, and they have to retire empty-handed. Madam, this is absolute injustice, and the honorarium and also the central incentive, Madam.
धन्यवाद सभापति में मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं। दिल्ली राष्ट्रीय राजधानी क्षेत्र है।